So I've been working out a lot lately, and it's not just for my physical health, but my overall mental health. I am a big believer that whatever you put into your body is definitely correlated to how your body functions and trains. So if you guys know any top athletes, you know they are very specific about what types of foods they put into their body so they can last longer out in the fields and train better. Today I am sharing with you guys my super clean and lean recipe as part of my collaboration with Now to share some recipes and nutrition tips on how to optimize your nutrition. First things first, we are going to bread our organic chicken tenders. I also have some egg wash, which we're gonna dip in yummy chickpea breading. This is gluten-free and paleo friendly. You guys saw how easy it was. So now we're gonna put it into a non-stick pan and we're going to lightly fry them. When it comes to oils, I like to use either macadamia nut oil or avocado oil. So it's ideal for high heat cooking, has a rich flavor, you're getting healthy fats. I'm gonna be using the avocado oil today. It looks so good. We're gonna flip this in a few minutes. The chicken is done. I am gonna show you how to make quinoa in minutes. So this is our L&L Q cups. They come in 3 different flavors right now. There is the savory garlic and mushroom, and there's a southwestern barbecue, and there is the all-time classic, which is just regular quinoa. I actually went through all the regular quinoa because it was that good and it was so useful, especially when you're on the go. So I have some hot water right here. I'm gonna open up the savory garlic mushroom because I think it'll go really well with our chickpea chicken. Put boiling water up to the line. It smells so good already. And what I love about these Q cups are they're nice and light in sodium. Quinoa in minutes. Look how incredible this is. This is cooked quinoa with mushrooms. This is a genius product. I highly recommend it. So we're gonna plate it on our thing. Look at that yummy goodness. Chicken, lean chicken. And I'm gonna put in some yummy greens. I always get in some greens as much as possible. Lots of fiber, healthy goodness, lightly steamed. All right guys, so that is my recipe. Super easy and fresh, as you can see, super balanced. You're getting quinoa, some healthy protein, and some greens, and it's all cooked in avocado oil. Super easy. I hope you guys give this recipe a shot. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.